How to set back tap or double tap to lock the screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Accessibility. Now scroll down, then tap on Touch. After that, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Back Tap. In here, you can choose double tap or triple tap. So I'm going to select double tap. After that, we scroll down. In here, select lock screen. And then finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now we can test it out, so we can simply double tap at the back here to simply lock the phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.